Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky, and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. And the purpose of this video is to give Raleigh, North Carolina small business owners some tips and tricks on what to consider when they are writing a business plan or a strategic plan. So the way this video is going to work out is, first and foremost, going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we'll talk about some tips and tricks to consider for Raleigh, North Carolina area business owners. Please keep in mind, I am not in Raleigh, North Carolina. I do spend a lot of time in Fuquay, but I'm not in Raleigh. I am just providing some tips and tricks for Raleigh, North Carolina business owners. All right, disclosure done. Let's go ahead and get this party started. So again, Paul Borosky, owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am an MBA as well as doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer, as well as a strategic plan writer. So if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement, growth opportunities for writing your own business plan or strategic plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to do it for you. I am also an author. I have several books published on Amazon.com. They are focused on business plan writing, so you're looking for some reading material, check me out there. And finally, I'm an adjunct professor in both business and finance. So if y'all do want some help with your pro forma financial projections, your business plan's good to go, your strategic plan's even better than that, but those pro formas giving you a nightmare, then pick up the phone, give me a call. I love to do those projections for you. Of course, there's a fee, but it also is a lot of less aggravation for you. All right, with that said, let's talk about the tips and tricks for business plan writing for some North Carolina small business owners. So one of the things when working with some North Carolina area business owners, inevitably, small business owners are going to be competing against larger competitors that are better funded. They've been around longer. They've got better brand recognition. They got a lot of things going for them. And when you're a startup organization or when you're a small business and you're trying to compete against those competitors, when you're writing a business plan, there's a couple of things to keep in mind that you want to go ahead and notate and address in your business plan. So first and foremost, in your business section for products and services, try to identify, at least one or two niches that your organization is going to be providing that your larger competitors may not do. For example, look at the craft breweries. They're competing against, national and international named beers, yet they do a phenomenal job. The growth in the North Carolina area alone is staggering, and they do very well. So try to identify a niche and make sure to include that in your services section. Next, for your marketing section, network. Join a chamber of commerce. Raleigh's got a great chamber of commerce out there. There's another chamber of commerce I used to be a member of, which was Cary, and I am a member of Chapel Hills, a chamber of commerce. So chamber of commerce is a great way to get out there, put a face to your company, and also is a great way to network. And the larger organizations, they tend not to have the personal contact that a small business is able to provide customers. So exploit that and get out there and network. And then finally, make sure to have a business plan and a strategic plan. Your business plan is going to describe your business, what you do and how you do it, why you do it, where you do it, and when you do it. Your strategic plan is your roadmap to success. It's going to identify where you want to be in 3 to 5 years. And then your strategic plan is going to periodically break down what you need to accomplish in 30 days, in 6 months, in 1 year, and 3 years in order to accomplish your vision or your strategic plan. So make sure to have both of those. Most businesses don't. Small ones usually don't. Larger ones, they don't either. So if you have both of those plans, you're going to be head and shoulders above your competitors. All right, hopefully that information was helpful. So in summary, when you are writing your business plan, make sure to include some niches in there. And then also in your business plan, in a future plan section, make sure to go ahead and identify some innovations that are happening in your marketplace and include how you're going to exploit those innovations. Small businesses, they're able to maneuver and shift directions a lot quicker than larger competitors. So, use that to your advantage and make sure you document it in your business plan. And then finally, when you are writing your business plan, try to use a proven business plan writer such as myself. And if you do need my services, my information is right here. Check out my webpage right here, qualitybusinessplan.com. or I do have a webpage that is dedicated to the Raleigh area, which is qualitybusinessplan.com/Raleigh NC. Hopefully this information is helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.